क्या फेंका
Come
बाबा?
on. Hey, चलो, come on, no मजाक.
Okay.
This is for you, Rapes.
Come
Come
on,
on,
guys.
that हरियाली,
हरियाली,
हरियाली, हरियाली, इधर. पैरा निकालो ना. इधर. One more card dance. चलो.
बनाना बोल.
Banana. Ah,
Banana.
Fruit salad, fruit salad, fruit salad,
Fruit salad. Fruit salad.
This dance.
इतना बड़ा पहाड़.
इतना बड़ा पहाड़. बाप रे. Break. This one.
Hey Pandu. Yeah.
This party needs a good party. Hi sis, this is your bro, and I never thought that I'll meet such a wonderful person in my life. And in my life, nobody tied Rakhi to me, and you are the first girl who tied Rakhi to me, and I was really damn happy about it that someone tied me Rakhi. And I just went to home and explained each and everything to my mom that uh, I got a uh, I got a sister, and she's uh, she's just like a cute and sweet little angel, and I'm really happy that I met you in my life, and you are my sister. Though it's not a blood relation, but then it's really wonderful to have a sister like you. The one the one thing which I liked about you is you just tell on the face of each and every one. You you do not keep anything in your heart. और बहुत कुछ बोलना है मगर then समझ भी नहीं आ रहा क्या बोलना. आपको बहुत मिस करेंगे. I don't know. ब्रू बोल के मुझे कौन बुलाएगा. God. All the time which I spent you is really precious. The jokes, the dancing, and I never thought that we'll go from us like this in so quickly. I'm gonna miss you damn. I really gonna miss you, Raves. And I know you have really struggled a lot in your personal life, but then you will be very successful in personal and professional life as well. And you may get a cute, nice hubby in your life who will take good who will जो आपको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से देखेगा और आपके लिए अपनी जान निछावर करेगा. I know someone will meet you in your life, so don't worry about it. You are such a beautiful person, so nobody can hurt you. I never thought that after coming to ADP I'll meet such a wonderful person, especially you. The day, the Raksha Bandhan, that would be my memorable day in my life, because on that day you called me and Parthu and you tied both of us Rakhi. And we don't know, somebody will be missing from four of us, and we will not be able to see you regularly or spend all the time together. But then these are the memories which will last forever in our hearts. बस और कुछ नहीं. टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ, टेक केयर ऑफ योर पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. मे गॉड विश यू सक्सेस इन एवरी वॉक ऑफ योर लाइफ. अल्लाह ताला आपकी हर ख्वाहिश पूरी करें. बस यही दुआ करता रहूँगा. और बस अच्छे रहो. ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.
Hi, Devs. Uh, I never thought that the day would come so soon to bid farewell to you from the process and to bid farewell to you and to give you this farewell note. But time has come and it's time for me to speak on it. Um, though we are not working on the same process, we'll be meeting outside and we'll be in touch. That's what I hope. All these years that I've been working with you for last 3 years is very memorable. I could say one of the best days that I have, that I cherish the most in the process is with you. There are many days that I cherished working with you. And as a person that I know, you are really kind-hearted, down to earth, and who doesn't bother about personal image to help friends. And as a person, you might outwardly you might look hard and tempered and attitude and whatever the people may call it. But a person that I know you inside out, I can say that you are very friendly, amicable, and someone who can be looked up to, or when a person is in need. The quote comes true with you that a friend is in need. A friend indeed is a friend in need. You are the true example of that. You are of help to me so many times whenever I was in need, and you were the first person for me to look up to. And we fondly call you as CS Annapurna every time that you get food for us, every time that you care for us, every time that you care for and get something to eat whenever we are hungry and on the floors, or something to munch. It's only one name that we call Revati, that's you. And professionally, to speak about, you are someone that I looked up many times. That is the passion that you have to do the work, or that zeal every day that you show to learn new things. And you are absolutely a quick learner. You just learn things in flip of a button, and that enthusiasm that you ever show to learn things, to work, and the techie attitude that you have to learn technical things, and that must have been burning desire in you, that has got you to this point to get into a technical job that you cherish the most and like the most. And I'm glad that you are going into one of that kind. I wish the future is awaiting with its bright hand open for you, and I wish you all the best to be a great success, and I wish all the best for you. The path is all a cakewalk, though it has hurdles here and there. And I wish God helps you to come over all that and have a peaceful, enjoyable, and great life ahead. I wish all the things that you wanted in life come in your way, and to say the least, I wish to be in touch with you all the time, and we hope we never miss this relationship, and I hope we cherish the relationship for our lifetime. Thank you. All the best.
Hey, Revati. Right, so the day has come. I know while watching this video you must be thinking so much of effort has gone into it, but nothing is actually worth as much as what we're feeling right now for you. It's been 3 amazing years. I think you've been a tremendous positive individual that I have ever come across in my life. The amount of positivity that you bring to my team is something that I'll never be able to express. And if there were words that I could express to tell you how much we'll miss you, I think I will always fall short of words. it's quite of embarrassing to tell you all these over a camera, but I don't think I will be able to do justice to it. But yes, we'll miss you. We'll truly love you so much that will continue to haunt you throughout your life. Bye.
No, अभी बोलो और बोलो चलो.
Cut कर बे.
बोलो और बोलो.
I don't think I have anything to tell you more. It's just that I'm waiting for Sunil to switch off this camera.
नहीं सुनील.
Switch it off, Sunil.
No सुनील.
పాల్
Reeves.
తాగుతావా
వద్దు.
తాగరా
వద్దు.
తాగుతావా లేదా
వద్దు Reeves.
పో.
రేవతి.
అక్కర్లేదే
అది కాదు Reeves. Reeves.
మాట్లాడు
Reeves. కాదు రేవతి. Reeves please.
మాట్లాడకన్నానా
Reeves.
సరే తాగది
ఇవి విన్నట్టు Reeves. అడుగుతున్నా.
హాయ్
बात कर बे, ऐसा कंटिन्यू करे तो फायदा नहीं है.
మంజే నీ ఉల్టా పుల్టా చేస్తావు